Now that you're all signed up for Evoqua's ToolDOX portal, and you've received your welcome letter with login credentials, let's take a sneak peek at what you will see when you log in for the first time. Start by going to www.evoqua.com/ToolDOX. This page does a quick redirect, so give it about 5 seconds to load, then enter in your credentials. Upon login, a pop-up with any current news and offerings may appear. Most of these readings will be required to move to the next screen. So click on each one of them, then use the back button to read more, or click the X in the corner to close out if all the messages have been read. Once viewed, these messages will not come up again, but can be found back under Account Notifications in the upper right-hand corner. On the home page, you will have a variety of options to navigate your content. Use the search and filter options at the top or browse the tiles below to navigate to the appropriate page, part, or manual. Update your settings to change the way your information is displayed, request quotes, and more through ToolDOX. Your journey begins now. If you run into any issues, please reach out to our team of experts at ToolDOX@evoqua.com. Save this playlist and subscribe to learn more about ToolDOX and Evoqua, and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.